Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Amal Lukman and today I will be presenting my report entitled Biodiesel Technology as a Method to Reduce Air Pollution. In this presentation, I will explain the introduction and history of biodiesel, its theory of operation, the biodiesel production process, its advantages and disadvantages, as well as its future potential in reducing air pollution. Air pollution has become one of the major environmental challenges faced by countries around the world. One of the main contributors to air pollution is the transportation sector, especially diesel-powered vehicles that release harmful emissions such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and particulate matter. To reduce these emissions, alternative fuels have been developed, and one of the most promising options is biodiesel. Biodiesel is a renewable fuel that is produced from vegetable oils, animal fats, or recycled cooking oil through a chemical process called transesterification. The history of biodiesel that dates back to the late 19th century when Rudolf Diesel successfully operated his engine using peanut oil. However, the use of biodiesel became more popular during the oil crisis of the 1970s, when researchers began searching for alternatives to fossil fuels. Today, biodiesel is widely used around the world, including in Malaysia through biodiesel blending programs such as B10, B20, and B30. The operation of biodiesel is very similar to conventional diesel fuel. First, biodiesel is stored inside the vehicle's fuel tank. The fuel pump then delivers the biodiesel through the fuel system and into the fuel injectors. The injectors spray the biodiesel into the combustion chamber, where it mixes with highly compressed air. Due to the high temperature created during compression, the fuel ignites automatically without the need for a spark plug. The combustion process produces energy that pushes the piston downward, causing the crankshaft to rotate and generate power to move the vehicle. One important advantage of biodiesel is that it contains oxygen within its chemical structure. This helps achieve a more complete combustion process, resulting in lower emissions compared to conventional diesel fuel. Next, we go to the advantages of biodiesel. Biodiesel offers several advantages compared to conventional diesel fuel. Firstly, it is produced from renewable resources, making it a sustainable energy source. Secondly, biodiesel helps reduce emissions of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and particulate matter, which contribute to air pollution. In addition, biodiesel is biodegradable and less harmful to the environment in case of accidental spills. Another advantage is that biodiesel provides better lubrication for engine components, which can help reduce engine wear. Furthermore, biodiesel can be used in most diesel engines with little or no modification, making it a practical alternative fuel. Despite its many benefits, biodiesel also has some limitations. One of the main disadvantages is its higher production cost compared to conventional diesel fuel. Biodiesel also contains slightly less energy, which may lead to a small reduction in fuel economy. In cold weather conditions, biodiesel can become thicker and affect fuel flow performance. Another challenge is ensuring a sufficient supply of raw materials for large-scale production. In some cases, biodiesel blends may also contribute to a slight increase in nitrogen oxide emissions. Therefore, continuous research and development are necessary to improve biodiesel performance and overcome these challenges. Looking toward the future, biodiesel technology has strong potential to contribute to cleaner transportation and environmental sustainability. Several improvements can be made, such as increasing the use of waste cooking oil as feedstock, reducing production costs, improving fuel stability, and developing advanced biodiesel blends with lower emissions. In conclusion, biodiesel is an effective alternative fuel that can help reduce air pollution and decrease dependence on fossil fuels. It offers environmental benefits while remaining compatible with existing diesel engine technology. With continued technological advancement and government support, biodiesel is expected to play an important role in the future of sustainable transportation. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.